So last quarter, I worked with a salon owner in Calgary named Priya. She runs a 4-chair studio, does great work, fully booked stylists, but she was drowning. She was answering the bed. She was missing calls during color services. She was forgetting to follow up with new leads. And by the end of our first 60 days, she had handed 10 hours a week back to herself and recovered $6,200 in bookings that would have worked. Hi, I'm Sawan. I have trained 82,000 students, built automations for service businesses. And Priya found me through a reel and DM'd me, I am tired, which is honestly the best discovery call opener I have ever gotten. The salon, I'm not going to use the real name, let's call it Studio North. 4 years, $42,000 monthly revenue, 2 full-time stylists, 1 part-time, Priya and the front and one on the chair. Now the business was working, Priya was not. And here is what we found in the first audit. And the audit is something I do free in the first call. I'll show you my exact audit checklist later. 1. 31% missed call rate. Now, 3 out of every 10 people who called got voicemail and 80% of them never called back. 2. Instagram inbox had 47 unread DMs. Oldest one was 9 days old. Now that lead was gone. 3. Zero new client follow-up. Now if someone booked once and didn't rebook, nobody chased. 4. Priya was personally answering messages from 7 a.m. before opening to 11 p.m. in bed. Now that is the input. Let me show you what we changed. The moment that shifted, everything was the audit call. I pulled her call logs from the salon's VoIP, exported her Instagram DM history, and put a number on the bleed. Conservative math. 31% missed call rate. Average new client lifetime value $240. Roughly 90 calls a month, $9,400 of opportunity walking past the front desk monthly. Now when Priya saw the number, she went quiet for about 8 seconds and then said, okay, what do we do? Now that's the turning point. The system was not the luxury, it was bleeding margin. And here is exactly what we shipped day by day. Week 1, the AI front desk. I installed the exact build I covered in my last video, the 24/7 AI booking agent in GoHighLevel. Instagram, missed call text pack, website chat, WhatsApp. All into one inbox with one AI brain. Setup took me 1 afternoon because the snapshot was already built. The AI was live by Friday of week 1. Week 2, the Rebook engine. I built a workflow that fires 5 weeks after the color service and 7 weeks after a cut. Now asking the client if they want to rebook with a one-click booking link. Now first week, this fired. We recovered 11 rebookings she would have forgotten. Now that's roughly $1,540 in week 1 of it being live. Week 3, the no-show killer. And the 2-step reminder, 24 hours out via SMS and 2 hours out via SMS again. But the second one says reply C to confirm, R to reschedule. Now if they reply R, the AI handles the reschedule. No-show rate dropped from 12% to 4% in 3 weeks. Week 4, the review machine. Now 2 hours after a completed appointment, AI sends a text. How was your service today? Now if they reply with anything positive, happy, loved it, amazing, it sends a Google review link. Now if they reply negative, it routes to Priya's personal phone and not Google. Studio North went from 23 Google reviews to 71 in 60 days with 4.9 stars. Now the numbers at day 60, and I have her permission to share these but not call out her name yet. Missed call recovery, $4,100 in bookings recovered. Calls that previously went to voicemail. Rebook engine, $1,800 in rebooking clients would have skipped. No-show reduction, roughly $300 in saved chair time per week. Total recovered revenue, 60 days, $6,200. Priya's hours on her phone, down from about 14 hours a week to 4. Now that's 10 hours back every week. The kicker, she pays me $750 a month to maintain this. I built it once. The monthly maintenance is genuinely about 90 minutes of my time. I check the AI conversations once a week, retrain on edge cases, update the calendar availability when stylists go on vacation. From her side, $750 a month to recover $3,000 plus monthly and get 40 hours of her own life back. Now that's the easiest math in the world. From my side, it is a $9,000 a year retainer for 6 hours of monthly work. Now that's pillar 3 of my business model, and I'll cover exactly how I land clients like Priya in the next video. 3 lessons I want you to take from Priya's story. 1. Don't sell software. Sell recovered revenue. The number on the audit closes the deal, not the demo. 2. Sequence matters. Booking AI first, rebook engine second, no show killer third, and reviews 4. Now, if you reverse that order, you're optimizing things that don't have traffic yet. 3. The retainer is the business. Setup fees are nice, monthly is the asset. One client like Priya is $9,000 a year of recurring revenue. 10 of them is a 6-figure business, and you have your weekends back. So if you want to land a Priya of your own, I wrote the entire process down in the AI retainer playbook. Every script, the audit checklist I used on her, the exact pricing template. It is free at sawankumar.com/AI-retainer-playbook. Link top of the description. So if you want to clone the actual GHL system I built for Priya, my GHL affiliate link gets you the trial plus my full snapshot stack. Salon, restaurant, clinic, real estate agents. Link is right under the playbook. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video where I break down how to land your first retainer client step by step.